Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Mazda CX-5, the compact SUV that's been Mazda's bestseller year after year. But for 2026, they've pumped it up, literally and figuratively, with slicker styling, more space, high-tech features, and smarter interiors. We'll break down everything you need to know, comparing US versus European versions where applicable, so let's rev into it. The 2026 CX-5 brings a fresh iteration of Mazda's Kodo design language, now guided by the brand's wearable gear philosophy, blending form with function. It's about 4.5 inches longer, a 3-inch longer wheelbase, and roughly 1 inch wider compared to the outgoing model. These changes translate to noticeably more legroom, headroom, and cargo volume, especially in the rear seats. Inside, Mazda goes almost button-free. The old commander knob is gone, replaced by a minimalist, touchscreen-centric layout. That includes a gigantic 15.6-inch touchscreen, largest ever in a Mazda, available with Google built-in services like Google Assistant, Maps, even Play Store. The cabin also offers a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, ambient lighting with 7 color choices, a redesigned steering wheel, cognac leather options, Qi wireless charging, redesigned armrests, all wrapped in soft touch materials. Under the hood in the US market, the 2026 CX-5 keeps the trusty 2.5-liter Skyactiv G 4-cylinder, delivering 187 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission and comes standard with iActive all-wheel drive. The engine has been retuned for crisper response and a quieter ride. Mazda emphasizes smoother, more relaxed performance depending on driving style. In Europe, Japan, and other markets, the same 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine is equipped with Mazda's M-Hybrid 24-volt mild hybrid system and brake-by-wire controls, absent in the US version. Mazda has dropped the more powerful turbocharged 2.5 for now. That option is not returning with the 2026 model. But fans haven't been forgotten. Mazda confirmed a fully in-house hybrid system powered by the upcoming Skyactiv Z engine, set to launch in 2027. The CX-5 is expected to hit US showrooms in early 2026. In Europe, including the United Kingdom, it will be available from summer 2026. Pricing hasn't been revealed yet, but expect a modest increase over the current model with likely shifts in trim lineup. Mazda's CX-5 has long been its golden goose, consistently a top seller with nearly 150,000 units per year in the US. This refresh is smart. It's evolutionary, not radical. Bigger, techier, cleaner, but without risking what's already a success story. It gives drivers refined styling, tangible interior upgrades, and a familiar powertrain while laying the groundwork for more efficient hybrid power in the near future. And yes, that giant 15.6-inch screen will likely spark a million phone-to-car and dashcam shots. Pure clickbait gold. Alright, that's the scoop on the 2026 Mazda CX-5, a bigger, bolder, smarter iteration of a compact crossover people already love. If you're after a stylish, high-tech family SUV with a hint of luxury and your eye on the hybrid future, this is one to watch. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see. Test drive, cargo space walk-around, or your favorite feature breakdown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Until next time.